But it is the Rajasthan political crisis that continues to snowball into a massive political and legal fight now, because Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has sent third proposal to hold assembly session to the governor. The Chief Minister also chairing a cabinet meeting to discuss the future course of action. Meanwhile, fight over 6 BSP MLAs continues as BJP MLA Madan Dilawar again approached Rajasthan High Court seeking disqualification of these 6 legislators who merged with the Congress party. BSP Chief Mayawati, meanwhile, slammed the Gehlot government, saying Congress was stealing their MLAs. She has also said BSP will approach Supreme Court against her party MLAs joining hands with the Congress party. Remember, these MLAs merged with the Congress last year, and the BSP issued a whip few days back directing those 6 MLAs not to vote for Gehlot government in case there's a floor test.
इस मामले को हम ठंडा नहीं पड़ने देंगे और इस मामले को हम आगे तक ले जाएंगे, सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक भी ले जाएंगे। लेकिन इस बार हमने ये तय कर लिया है कि कांग्रेस ये जो बार-बार गलत कार्य कर रही है, संवैधानिक कार्य कर रही है, इसको सबक सिखाना बहुत जरूरी है।
देखिए, हमारा मर्जर करीब सितंबर 19 में पूरा हो चुका है। स्पीकर साहब ने उसको मान्यता दी और हम लोग ऑफिशियली कांग्रेस के एमएलए बन चुके हैं। अब इस स्थिति में वो विप जारी करना का कोई औचित्य है नहीं और ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ बीजेपी के षड्यंत्र का एक हिस्सा बनकर बीएसपी उनकी मदद करने की कोशिश कर रही है।
यहाँ 6 विधायक थे जो हाथी के चुनाव चिन्ह पे जीते, मायावती के हस्ताक्षर युक्त सिंबल से जीते, इसलिए उनकी आपत्ति है कि ये मर्जर इस रूप में अवैधानिक है। विधायक केवल अपने मर्जर का फैसला खुद नहीं करेंगे, उसका बीएसपी तय करेगी।
किसी भी राष्ट्रीय पार्टी का जब मर्जर होता है तो उसका अपना एक सिस्टम है, उस सिस्टम के आधार पर कोई भी पार्टी मर्जर होती है। बिना केंद्रीय पार्टी को पूछे हुए मर्जर जो करते हैं वो वास्तव में न्यायोचित नहीं है। लेकिन इसमें सबसे पहले इफेक्टिव पार्टी बीएसपी थी, उसको ही इसमें अपना रोल अदा करना था। लेकिन स्पीकर साहब ने कल खारिज कर दी, आज हाईकोर्ट ने खारिज किया, लेकिन अभी उसमें इतना लेकुना है कि जिसके कारण से इसको आगे भी इस केस को संवैधानिक मर्यादाओं के अनुसार लड़ा जा सकता है।
So more twists and turns emerging now. This time it is a BJP MLA approaching, BJP MLA Madan Dilawar approaching Rajasthan High Court to seek the disqualification of 6 BSP legislators who had merged with the Congress party. It's very interesting how the BSP chief Mayawati has also now got into this controversy, asking those MLAs not to vote for the Gehlot government of the Congress party in case at all if there is a floor test. So this is definitely getting very murky. This was earlier just about the Congress infighting, then became the Congress and the governor fight, then became the Congress and the BJP fight, and now even the Bahujan Samaj party has got into a Rajasthan political crisis that is refusing to end. And remember, not just Mayawati asking for her MLAs to not vote for the Gehlot government, also stating that the BSP will approach the Supreme Court against her party MLAs who had joined hands with the Congress party, and especially if they decide to support the Gehlot government. So it is clearly now not only just a political fight but a legal fight as well. Just to reiterate for our viewers, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has sent third proposal to hold assembly session to the governor already. Chief Minister has already also chaired a cabinet meeting which went late into the night to discuss the future course of action. For further on this, let's go across live to Jaipur because Devankur Vidhavan is now joining me. Devankur, completely bizarre. Now the Bahujan Samaj party also has got in, saying we'll also move to the Supreme Court against our MLAs who had merged with the Congress. What are you picking up on that front?
Well, clearly this entire, matter had erupted last year in September when the BSP MLAs, 6 of them, had en masse joined the Congress. At that time, it was said that Ashok Gehlot had engineered this defection from the BSP to the Congress. At that time, the BSP had called it a betrayal. But amidst this entire, upheaval in the Rajasthan politics, this crisis that has been going on. Perhaps the BSP feels that it can also, join in and, rake this issue up, and that is why it has claimed. Mayawati has mentioned that that Ashok Gehlot will be taught a lesson, the Congress will be taught a lesson, and it will not let this go, unchallenged, and will challenge this matter in the Supreme Court. As far as these MLAs are concerned, they had last year went to the Rajasthan Assembly Speaker mentioning that they want to join the Congress, and that is how the merger had happened. But Madan Dilawar, who is a BJP MLA, had challenged this before the Rajasthan Assembly Speaker. It was rejected by the Speaker, and today he has filed a petition, a fresh petition before the Rajasthan High Court, which may be heard in due course of time. Pooja?
All right, Devankur, please keep tracking all the latest there from Rajasthan. Very interesting now, even the BSP chief saying she'll move the Supreme Court against her MLAs if they vote and decide for the support to get.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.